Yeah. Heat rising in the room like a thought you can't shake. Pressure in the chest, rhythm in the floorboards. I'm walking through the gradient with my head low. Counting states, counting choices, counting the cost of every move. No melody, just breathe, pulsing the weight of the law. Let the beat drop clean, let the truth talk first. Entropy gradient, order dissolving into heat. Needles pointing where the cold meets the warm and the universe repeats. Yeah. Counting microstates in the night like prayer beads. Boltzmann wrote the chorus, S equals K log W. Every arrangement a seed, every shuffle multiplies the view. From atom to avenue, orders currency gets spent. Probabilities the preacher, microstate sermon, laws that don't relent. Yeah. You try to stack the deck, stack the plays, stack the days like Tetris. But each rearrangement bursts more ways to exist. Physics vets this. Isolated system, second law, signing checks. Irreversible checks, no reverse on the cassette. Times arrow ain't poetic, it's pragmatic. Entropy rises, that's the bet. We measure chaos in counts, not in cries. S climbs with accessible states. The higher the W, the heavier the truth. Freedom's price escalates, gradient whispers. Flow where the slope goes, heat points the road. Heat leaks from hot to cold. Fourier's hands hold the load. Entropy gradient, watch the order bleed into beat. In a heat, in a hush, where the warm hands drop to meet the cold. Watch the cosmos blush. Entropy gradient, arrows drawn on the fabric of time. Neat, discreet, order dissolves in emotion, and emotion dissolves into heat. Take a heat engine, piston pulse, Carnot set the ceiling ideal. Dream no engine outperforms a ratio between tuck efficiencies. Theme works when paid by delta T, but you lose a slice to waste to the entropy parade. Clausius scribbles in the margins, DS on the QT, balance never swayed. Local order can spring, a seed grows, a city glows, but the ledger's trick. You pump nudge entropy and with sweat and wit. The universe collects the tick. Maxwell's demon fantasize a loophole. Clever hand in the box, yet information costs. Landauer's truth burns bits to heat. Erasing memory pays the cost. Irreversible collisions. Phone is scattering and lattice trains. Heats a rumor that multiplies. From gradient to equal, from equal to still, equilibrium's prize. Feel the metaphor. Neighborhoods with patterns, systems with rituals. When pressure's uneven, energy will drift. Patterns give habitual. Order's not a fortress, it's a flow release, temporary lease on peace. To hold it you must do the work, push entropy decline by increasing heat release. You can organize a room, organize a mind, but every action rings a bell, and the bell's vibrations radiate outward. Someplace gets warmer from where you fell. Look, heat flux is vector, Q dot equals minus kappa times grad T. Negative sign, directionality. Flow from high to low, spontaneous, no permission slip. Reality's morality. Entropy production non-negative, sigma nova mode. The universe don't pay back, it only pays out. Dissipation's the chorus line, or the steps become random cloud. In biology we hustle, local decreases. Protein folding, mitochondria run feeds. But life's bookkeeping writes a bigger statement. Global less increases in receipts. Information structured islands in a sea that spread in thermal tides lift and drown. We're all engineers of temporary order, building castles on a temperature down. So understand the gradient, it's the map of motion, a script of what we'll meet. When high hands touch the cold, that handshake rides heat. That's entropy's beat. Entropy gradient, watch the order bleed in the beat. In the hush, where the warm hands drop to meet the cold. Watch the cosmos blush. Entropy gradient, arrows drawn on the fabric of time. Neat, discreet, order dissolves in emotion, and emotion dissolves into heat. When gradients fade, equilibrium hums. Equal tones, no more song to sing. But remember, every small resistance, every fight you bring creates a louder ring. Entropy's not villain, it's a rule, a rhythm, the ledger. We can't cheat, we dance on the slope, we pay the cost. We witness order dissolve into heat. Order dissolve into heat. We witness order dissolve into heat.